What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making a Carajillo, which is a Spanish sweetened coffee drink. It is a two-step drink. It is a beautiful drink. It is a tasty drink, and we are making it with espresso. And there was a little bit of an uproar on this channel when I made the espresso martini and used a Bioletta mocha. All right, I used a Bioletta Mocha Express, which is a very inexpensive piece of equipment. It's about 30 bucks. I wanted to do that to make it more accessible so that people knew that they didn't have to use an espresso machine. But everybody freaked out and said, that's not espresso, that's just very strong coffee. So I decided to bring out an espresso machine this time and do it proper. But that said, if you guys don't have the money to shell out for an espresso machine, or you don't have an espresso machine at home, I'm sure you have your own way of making an espresso. But if you don't, I still stand by the Bioletta Mocha Express. Luckily, the Carajillo is a Spanish drink that calls for strong coffee or espresso. So if you use the Bioletta Mocha Express, you don't have to worry about whether you get the crema or not. All right, cool. Anyway, the Carajillo is, like I said, of Spanish origin. It actually dates back to, or it's thought to date back to the time when Cuba was a Spanish colony. And the troops used to mix a little rum with their coffee to give them coraje, which means courage in Spanish. So coraje, courage, corajillo, or corajillo, which is what the drink was originally called, but then it over time became a carajillo. So just a little, you know, carajillo is one step away from corajillo. All right, let's get into making the drink. There's a little excess water in here. I'm just gonna get it out. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to make our espresso grind. Just wait. All right, and then we're going to take it out gingerly. Leandro, gingerly grab this out in an awkward manner. Tamp this down a little. Give it a little tampy poo. Get coffee everywhere while we're doing it. Lock it into our system. Clean up the mess because we're OCD and we don't like mess. I like to pull a double shot, so that's what we're doing. All right, and in the meantime, we are going to add 1.5 ounces of Licor 43, which is a Spanish liqueur made of fruit juices, macerated with a specific, very secret blend of spices, and it is got 43 ingredients, hence Licor 43. And then we're going to add 1/2 ounce of, we are using Mezcal, but I will say that originally this cocktail would be done with like either Brandy or Anisette, but we're gonna do Mezcal because it is such a nice flavor. Then we're gonna put our ice in here and we're just gonna give it like a light stir just to chill it a little bit. Get that chill going. Then we are gonna take our spoon and we're gonna put our coffee. I like to rest it on the ice or near the ice and just dribble the coffee on the back of the spoon slowly. And you should get a layer. So we have like this nice layered drink. And there you have it, my friends, the Carajillo. Now, if I taste this, because it's layered, I'm only gonna be drinking the coffee. So, you know, this is nice for presentation, but when you actually go to drink it, you should mix it so that you get the mix of everything. I mean, you don't have to, and eventually it will mix, but I'm just going to give it like a little stir because I want to get all the flavors. And we're going to cheers. So, you know, 1.5 ounces of Licor 43. It's going to have some citrus notes. It's nice sweetness. It's not super, super sweet. You get a little bit of smoke from the Mezcal. And of course, the main flavor profile that hits you is the coffee. Yeah, it's nice and mellow, not too sweet. Really, really nice. I could see myself drinking that for brunch or in the morning or, you know, maybe 2 in the morning or Did I say 2? I could probably drink 3 of these in the morning. Anyway, it's not actually that high in alcohol as well. I think that Licor 43 is about 31%, is it? 31%, boom, nailed it. So it's just a nice, easy drink to take in your coffee to give you a little coraje. Anyway, go drink, make this drink, get some courage. I'll see you guys next time. If you like our channel, hit like and subscribe, and definitely check out our Patreon, patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly, and I will see you on the next one.